Hi everyone, it's Liz from Crafty Woman Shop, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a popcorn heart. This simple 3D heart is created by making two 3DC popcorn stitches all in the same stitch. Some of the skills that you need or can hone by making this pattern is chaining, slip stitching, double crocheting, and of course the popcorn stitch. To start, you're going to chain 4. Now this actually counts as the first stitch being the stitch that you're going to work the entire pattern into, and then the 3 chains after that are actually your first double crochet of the first popcorn. So to finish the popcorn, you're going to make 2 more double crochets into that very first chain. So right now, that's the 3rd chain at the top there. That counts as a double crochet. And 1 more double crochet. So now you have the 3 double crochets that will make up your first popcorn. Now you're actually going to drop the loop, pull it up a little so that you don't lose it, and then go back to that first double crochet, that chain 3, insert the hook from front to back. You're going to pick the loop back up and pull through. So you've made the first popcorn stitch. You'll notice it has a nice little 3D shape to it. So this is going to be 1/2 of the heart. Chain 1. Now going back to that very first chain that was made, you're going to work into that with a slip stitch before starting the next popcorn. So into that chain, insert the hook and pull through the slip stitch. To make the next popcorn stitch, you're going to chain 3. This counts as the first double crochet of the second popcorn stitch, and then make 2 more double crochets, and this is all happening in that very first chain you made. Now we have 3 double crochets, so we're ready to turn this into the next popcorn. Drop the loop, insert your hook into the first double crochet, which is the chain 3 you just made. Insert the hook from front to back. Grab that loop and pull through. Second popcorn stitch is made, and now you have a little heart so you can finish off. Make sure you leave a decently long tail, since you can use it to attach it to whatever project you're working on. And here we have it. A little popcorn heart. You can put your popcorn hearts on pretty much any project you want. Pillows, blankets, hats, sweaters, it's really up to you. Okay, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more free patterns, tutorials, tips, and tricks. I also have the blog, craftywomanshop.com, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Ravelry. You can find me pretty much everywhere on social media. And I also have an Etsy shop, so feel free to check that out as well.